Assalamu Walaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a new slide template in Microsoft PowerPoint. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you have to open your Microsoft PowerPoint software. Then click File option. Click New option. You can see here many slide template. You can choose any slide. I am select this template. Then click Create option and wait some moment. Here you can see a slide template. You can edit this template and change this text. Here are many slide templates. You can choose any of these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channels. Thanks for watching.